What is loving yourself? I don't know. Who can define their own method and the way of loving ourselves? It's our mission. It's our mission to define our way to love ourselves. So it's never intended, but it feels like I'm using you guys to love myself. So I want to say one thing. Please use me. Please use BTS to love yourself.
여러분, 할 말 있어요. 우리 거야. 방탄 거야. 방탄은 아미 거야. Okay, shout out to all the armies out there. Asia, Africa, South, North America, Australia, Pacific, anywhere, Africa, anywhere. We love you, we missed you. We want to play with you, we want to see you, we want to touch you, we want to feel you. Thank you all the love and support from out there.
그래서 여러분들 너무너무 사랑하고요. 입대 전초에 마지막 선물 많이 기대해 주시고 건강 잘 챙기시고 테이크 케어 하시고 스테이 세이프 하시고 사랑합니다 여러분들. 또 올게요. 또